What's up, my dronies? Been a while. It's been a long time since I've been down here on the bench, and it's about time I have these two sitting around, this Alien Slam and this FPV crate drone, Yeti or something like that. Yema. Y-E-M-A. Anyway, I want to get them together before I lose the parts for them. Been busy with the other channel. If you haven't been over there, check it out. Organic Clean Food Connection. Learn about nutrition and health and how I brought myself back from the dead. And what chemical farming is doing to me, my animals, and my fruit trees, and to you when you bring it home and eat the garbage. Anyway, got the green Caddx going on in the front here. This kit was pretty good. It was eBay kit, if I remember right, on some old Hobby King motors. Some Afro King ESEs. And then we have the F722 SE. And this ain't the board I wanted to put in here, but it's what I ended up with putting in here. I really wanted to try one of them Linux. But, or Linaire, I mean. But anyway, if you go over to their website, they have a nice breakdown of how to set it up. But this thing's got capability of 2 cameras, and I mean, anything you can think of you can hook to this thing. You can hook nav to it. Here's all your different ways you can hook your receivers. Of course, we're S-porting. LEDs, which I'm going to do that here. I got a LED buzzer set up, so I'm going to, that fits pretty nice back here, so that's going in. Always put in a buzzer so you can find your unit. And an alternative, and then it gives you all your setups for in your flight data stuff. So, beta flight. And then I'm running the tank, rush tank. And I'm going to squeeze all that in there, and it fits. I've had the lid on it, just barely. But anyway, it's a pretty nice layout. You got your VTX on this top row. Get this thing to focus. So your VTX, your power ground VTX, and then your smart port goes over here, and on your camera goes over here, and then your power and your video for your camera is all through on the next row down. So it's pretty tight when you go to solder it, but get it. The only thing I haven't put in is I have to put in the LED and the buzzer and the power and ground for it. And these are your receiver hookups, RX2, and your power and your ground. And then I ran one underneath the board over here to this yellow dude down in there. Your TX4, I think that's where that one is. So that's your smart port, and then your S port. And I'm doing this. I tried to leave it kind of flimsy, so hopefully I don't break my board or have any problems. We'll see how that works. And then I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. This just sets in here really nice, and I'm just going to zip tie this right here. And I know having it near the power ain't the greatest. I should probably run it over here, but it just really looks pretty convenient. So we're going to try it, see how bad the video signal is. So anyway, that's about it on this one. I ended up picking up one of these other receivers, and hopefully I don't have any range issue, but look how small that dude is. And that's the new one they have out. It's the RXSR, but you can see the size difference. from the old XR. So hopefully don't have any range issues, but in this other build it's going to fit pretty nice in this little canopy they got going on here. There's a little tray up top. I think I can squeeze it up in there. I may have to desolder the connector. Which I don't know why they had to put such a big old honking connector on there. But anyway, I may have to just take it off there. Make room. But I think that's going to work pretty good, and hopefully I don't have any range issues. This is probably one of the most investments I've made on the drones is this one here, and it was a buy monthly, you know, the crates, FPV crates. So it came in pieces over 6 months, and so I wanted to build, you know, most of mine are just, you know, cheap stuff or clearance sale stuff, or, you know, buy a lot of stuff off scratch and dent, that kind of thing. So usually spare parts is what I build from, so this will be my building from something all new. So that'll be pretty sweet. So anyway, I think that's it on this video. We'll put out some more videos once I get this. Gotta get it hooked to the computer and get it bound to the radio, and I'm gonna run it on that T16, and I got a new power board I need to put in that T16 also, so that will be coming up. But anyway, hopefully get down here on the bench a little more often. I'm going to do some stuff with the CNC. This is my CNC. I got a laser one I built too. Running off an Arduino. And I got a new Z-axis for it, so I got to get that dialed in. And I got a project for my granddaughter I need to get done. But this thing's turned out pretty good. 3D printed parts and old computer power supplies and this, that, and the other, and shabamo, CNC machine. Anyway, we'll see you on the next video. Like, subscribe, share. Please go check out my Organic Clean Food Connection. You know, anybody with IBS, leaky gut, digestive issues, you got to go check it out. And you can see what chemical farming is all about. And the guy trying to organic farm in the middle of a chemical wasteland. Thanks for stopping by.